Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Design Curious. Now you can create Photoshop like text effects in Canva by using different apps which are totally free. You can use within Canva for your any design, for your existing design or for your new designs. The first app is type Extrude, uh, in which you can add any shadow effect. We have used Canva app in different way to create the long shadow effects, but with the help of this amazing app you can create the long shadow effect within seconds. There are many other options you can play around uh, within this app. Type Extrude, and you don't need to buy any credits. This is totally free, and you can use these effects in your social media posts, in your video designs, in your presentations to make them more appealing and great. You can see you can add outline effect. You can use any fonts from the available fonts library. You can increase or decrease the thickness, extrude length. This is the fact I have discussed with you in the beginning, which you can easily create with the help of this app. Now, after applying your effect, you can increase or decrease the size of your text as per your requirement. Now, moving on, uh, I will use another app, Type Wrap, in which you can add any kind of wavy effect, zigzag effect for your design. I have used this app to create the smiley effect. You can use from the available shapes and types for your designs. Even you can use the same design for different effects by keeping yourself within this app. You can change the color of your text, direction, move them around easily. So this is the final result you can see. You can create with the help of this amazing app, which is totally free to use in Canva, Type Wrap. So here is another app, Font Studio. I personally like this app a lot because this is something you can easily create in Photoshop, but now this is available in Canva, and there are many options uh, for this for these kind of text in this app. You can use it and can make your design look like people will say, have you created this text in Photoshop? But in reality you have created your text with the help of Font Studio app by keeping yourself within Canva. So you can see how much Canva have changed its platform and made it easy for the users. So by um, getting the subscription of Canva, you can avail many beautiful features, AI features as well, and you can use many amazing apps to create your design stunning and look like you have created the design in the Photoshop. You can also play around uh, by keeping yourself within this app and make your text more appealing by applying the different looks.